So this is a new problem that is actually more frequently prevalent in most of the Django apps when we are trying to connect to the database. So is the server running on the host and accepting TCP slash IP connection? So basically this is, if I show you my Docker, this is the app actually. This is the database connection. That is a image in a Docker file where I have put this image over there, and that image is running, and the app image is building from the Docker file. So this is the base Docker image. For this Postgres, I've used the Docker image, and for this the Amazonish one is the image of my application that is been formed with the help of the Docker file commands in it. So these are the two images happening on this application, but the problem is the database is running. As we could see, the database is running. There's some log over there. If I scroll up, so database is running, but our application is not able to connect to the database. So that is the problem. So that's why it is actually coming like this. Is the server running on that port? So here is my database connection details. I have removed the username and password. So this is the details. So we will check why this kind of stuffs are happening. So okay. So the way we check this is, so this is my Docker Compose file. Here we have all the services jotted down. Yes, I'm showing the password, Postgres password and database, I'm showing that, but you won't be able to do anything out of that because you have the source in which I'm actually pulling up the database. So I'm least bothered about that. So let's just ignore that. If you're thinking to do something out of this credentials, let's just, put that thing out of your mind. That's not going to happen anyway. So let's come back to the solution actually. So this is the extra host that we are supposed to add to get this running. So what will happen with this YAML file will have this, if it has this extra host in the image of your application, then what will happen is it will facilitate inter-network communication between the services. So as you could see, this is the service. This is service 1, that is the database service, and this is service 2, that is Amazonish service. So basically why it was happening, because DB, the service DB, was not able to reach out to the service Amazon, or sorry, it's a vice versa thing. The service Amazonis is not able to reach out to the DB. So that's why this kind of things were happening. But now we have given this command in the YAML file, so it should be able to reach. So we will check how it's supposed to be reaching. So for that, what I'll do is I'll just log into my volume. So this is actually the volume which just put it in this way. Okay, so this is the volume. We are accessing the volume of the application. Now I'll just put a Docker container ps, Docker ps. Okay, Docker ps -a, so it will give all the containers. So we want to access this container because this is our database container, right? So we'll SSH into this container. IT/sh. So I'm inside this container. Now what we'll do is, we are inside our Amazonish container. We will try to ping the database service from this container for this apt get update. We'll install curl first of all inside the container. I'm updating the database actually. Then I'll install once it is updated, I'll install the curl apt get install curl. So it will install the curl. So once we have this curl tool installed inside our image, so basically it is specific for the image. So I can use curl -v http slash, what's the name of that service? Database. It is the name of that service in the Docker file. So that is the name with which we want to connect 5432. Okay. C, connected to the database. So this kind of things will happen. Now let's see if we are SSHing into the Postgres database, then whether we are able to connect to Amazonis. And I have not tried this actually. I'm trying this online for the first time. We will just see. So I'll just exit. And what we'll do is we'll again use that container command. So this is our Postgres. We will SSH into it. Okay, got it. Apt-get, sorry, this does not work here. Apt-get update. So, actually a very good practice to update every time the internal database of a Docker file when we are trying to do some kind of things inside the database. So that's what I'm doing. Again, install curl. It get installed. It will take a couple of time actually. So I'll just keep quiet. Cannot speak so much. Okay, it got installed. Fine. Now http, sorry, curl -v http, that is, what is the name of that? Amazonis, and the port is 8000. Yes. So this is actually connecting. Where is that? Connected. Yes, connected to Amazonis database. So we are able to connect from the database to the other service and from the other service to the database. Other service as in my application service, Amazonis. So communication is happening between the two services that is specified in the Docker file. This actually proves that we are able to achieve the connection. So this is how you can actually get that problem solved and get this tested to confirm whether the connection is happening or not. So let me know how this debugging session looks to you or sounds to you, because you're not able to see me, so that's why maybe sounds to you. So thank you so much.